Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about one of the expansion strategies. Okay. Expansion through intensification or expansion through concentration. That means by focusing on a customer group or customer function or alternative technology, the business can be expanded. Okay, the focus will be on expanding the customer group or expanding the customer function or changing the technology. Okay, so these are the possible by concentrating on the particular business definition. Okay, this intensification or concentration strategy can be implemented in three ways. One is through market penetration, market development, product development. Market penetration is with the existing market, with the existing product, okay, through advertisement and sales promotion, trying to attract more customers from the competitors. Okay, here the market is not changed, product is not changed, only additional efforts are made to penetrate the market. That means to attract the customers from the market, that means from their competitors. This is called as a market penetration. This sales promotion may be through advertisements, through offering discounts, or through decreasing the prices of the product temporarily. So all these measures are taken to penetrate the market and capture more market with the same market and same product. Nike is a best example. Okay, this Nike products are advertised through print and television ads for athletes to create a brand awareness that increase the market share of Nike products. And another, McDonald also has perceived the market penetration in recent years using Latino themes within some of its advertisements. So previously they were focusing on the particular market, and through advertisements they were trying to improve their business. Next, market development. Market development is taking existing product into the new market. So product is same, already what you are selling in one market, the same product, but apart from the existing market you are trying to sell the same product into the another market. Okay, for example, say you are selling a particular product in Chennai. Okay, your market is Chennai. Now you want to expand your business, so the same product can be marketed in other parts of Tamil Nadu apart from Chennai. You can market it in Kadalur, even Pondicherry, okay, other districts of Tamil Nadu. So same product but entering into the new market, that is called as a market development strategy. Okay, with the existing you can add new market or a new way of reaching the customers is called as a market development. Okay, so all these examples are for market development. Third strategy is product development strategy. So focusing on the same market, same customer group, but try to serve them with more products. Okay, already you have one or two products for the particular market, but here the company doesn't change the market, they focus on the same market, but they are trying to add more product with existing products so that you can capture more market, or even you can do more business with the same number of customers. You can, because additionally you can sell more products. Okay, so that generate more revenue for the organization, that expand your business. Okay, so Disney previously they were doing only a cartoon movies, okay, the cartoon programs for children. Now they are into producing feature films. Okay, so the new product is being added. Okay, Coca-Cola, apart from Pepsi and Coke products for their respective brand, they started adding a few more products in order to catch the market share of their competitors. Okay, so these are all the three major strategies: market penetration, market development, and product development strategies comes under intensification strategy for expansion. Thank you.